This brand is from A.O. Smith and is sold in home improvement and hardware stores, but the guarantee on the tanks is not as good as other brands. The ProLine Compact models have a glass-lined tank that uses self-cleaning technology to limit sediment buildup, and they are available in 6, 12, or 20-gallon sizes. The water heaters have a 0.94 efficiency rating and an enhanced flow brass drain valve for easy periodic maintenance. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.